morning, another day, another dollar. What a gorgeous morning. Okay, today we're gonna do some painting at last. So let's get into it. Okay, Gongon was supposed to come cut the grass, he didn't show up. Not surprised. Anyway, that's okay. Maybe another day. I've been told my friend is here. Oh yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
Oh, just what the doctor ordered, man. Oh, look, so busy. I know I saw you a little bit, but I said when I finish this, I'll go.
It's time to take a break.
Thank you, my friend. This is welcome. Have a seat. Isn't that nice? We're gonna have this for breakfast now. Excellent.
Breakfast is lunch.
We're talking about golf now. 10 handicap he was. Could you believe it? I was only 80, but I was a cheater because I need to represent the club in pennants. So I keep my handicap 18 always. You should see Bella, how happy she was to see Robert. Yeah. She's so cute. Anyway, so we're just having a bit of a glass of water, celebrate the return. So Robert will be here for a few months, and his house restarted, which is good, and all going well, huh? Yeah. Yep. Oh, t'as vu Lily, il a eu des puppies? Non? T'en veux ou non?
J'en ai 19.
I asked Robert if he wants some puppies. He said, only got 19. Okay, well, it's my birthday and...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
She knows the song.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Give to Daddy.
Thank you. Kiss.
Give to Daddy. That's for Daddy.
Oh, thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, just put
Woo,
it.
this is heavy. Oh my God. And we are being
You open later.
open after lunch. Okay. Oh, a lot of photos there. I see. Okay.
Smart.
Let's eat first. Oh, you made a cake?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Look.
Happy birthday.
He's happy.
Wow. That's what I like. Just in family. I enjoy.
Happy birthday, my love.
That's all. We don't need anybody else. Beautiful. Wow.
This one, no.
Anyway, Jam is making a video as well, so I hope you go and watch it. That's it.
Okay.
I never knew you.
It's
You
a
can make cakes
birthday
first
boy.
time.
Of course.
And look at this. Ah.
I can make.
With some of our memories. Ah, that's how I could hear the printer this morning. Excellent. That's nice. Let's open the gift. Cats go out because it's quite to eat. Okay, I had a bath, I got changed. I gotta open my present. That's a surprise. Oh. Oh, many. It's not just one present, there's many presents. Oh. I never. That I like because. Oh, that's a nice one. Wow. And Jam's got a lot of good taste, of course. She's an artist. I love it. I love it.
Okay.
Don't be anyone else, be yourself. I'm always myself. That's nice. XXL?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
If you cannot fit.
Because every time
that
she
means
buys me
you eat
something,
more.
it's too small. One more.
Yeah.
Different color.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh, yes. I missed that. Oh, yes. Where'd you get all that? That's a nice shot. I need that. That's beautiful. I love it. Exactly what I needed. Because I never buy presents for myself. I mean, not for birthday or something. I never do that. So that's lovely. What else we got? Oh my God! We got a golden watch.
No, it's only
I don't know
cheap
what it is.
one.
Yay!
I hope you
That's
can
what I
fit.
wanted.
And you fit?
Sport watch. Yay!
I picked different color, no? Navy blue.
I love it. Simple, just for every day.
Yeah.
It's not on yet, huh?
No.
No, okay. We'll turn it on later on when I wear it. Well, here you are. I'm a very happy man. Come here, my love. Be careful.
You didn't know this?
Give me a kiss, my love. Mwah. Oh, nice shirt.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's it. Great. Thank you so
Well,
much.
I gotta take your photo.
Take a photo. Okay.
Remove that. Get your nice hat.
Huh? Yeah.
For my thumbnail.
That's another present. Look at this hat. Beautiful.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You like it?
My love.
I love it.
1, 2, 3. Wait.
I think I crossed my eyes.
Yay!
I don't know. The baby.
Bibi, what? Pasta. Bella.
Good
Bibi.
idea.
Baby. So Bella.
I still have to go back after lunch and paint, but I don't know if I gotta do that.
You have a rust. How's the food?
I love it. Very nice.
That is fruit jelly cake.
That's interesting jelly. Vanilla, what is it?
Mango.
Mango. Nice.
But I put cream, milk.
Okay, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday!
A lot of nice fruit here. Mwah. Okay, back to work. Let's use the roll now. Yeah, that's it for today. Tired. We visited with friends, celebration, and I had to fix a lot of things in the bathroom before painting, so I didn't have much time painting, maybe a couple hours, that's it. And my paint come off a certain area, just peel certain area, so I'm not sure if it's dust or still wet. Skim coating is still wet or something. I'm not sure. I need to find out for tomorrow. So I'll let everything dry. I will show you. Okay, well, I didn't have the chance to do much. The whole ceiling is done. One coating, but I had some problem. I'm going to show you. You may tell me what it is. I will fix tomorrow before I keep painting, see? And underneath there, the skim coating and the screw, where the skim coating was not dry enough. I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe you can tell me, guys, and I'll fix tomorrow. Otherwise, it's a big job. I tried to use the roller, but it's a pain in the butt. So I end up using the brush. So most of the top side is done. So tomorrow, after you give me some solution, probably gonna have to sand it again and repaint on top. I'm not sure. Here as well too. So just a few places where I can show you. See, that's where. This is where I had the skim coat over the screw. You can see a bit of a red paint, but that's not the cause, because here there's no red paint at all. So let me know what you think. The weather's terrible. Very windy, overcast, big rain coming. And you can see that a bit of a progress on Robert's house for the last couple of days since he come back. Yeah, my darling really surprised me today. That was so beautiful. Oh, thank you, my love. Mwah.
Welcome.
And my little girl gave me the present. So cute. She was more excited than me. It's another overcast weather. It's almost 5 p.m. I finished working, so anyway, that's it for this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bella's still sleeping. Start raining.